Hi, Healthy Living, a Way of Life, Part 7 Body Movements. The healthy living way of life we are seeing from the series. Now we are in the series of 7. Now we are going to talk about the body movements, how it makes you be fit, healthy, and always energetics. So our ancestors and all, why they are more healthy and disease free? Because of they always move their body from one place to another place and do lot of activities. That's why their body is always flexible, and hospitals, doctors, and medicines are very less or not there at that time. But now you see everywhere hospitals, doctors, medicines, or pharmaceutical companies everywhere. So, multi specialties companies and multi specialties hospitals are more in number than ever. So, why this kind of changes? Because human health hazard is always sitting in a place or sleeping. So when you are sitting continuously in a place or in a sedentary lifestyle, not moving body enough, it leads to diseases, it leads to blood pressure, it leads to diabetes, it leads to any chronic diseases and psychological disorders. So it all depends how you are actively moving your body. When you are moving the body, then only your life will be extended. Your life longevity will be 80, 90, 120 years when you are following a habit of moving your body throughout your lifetime. When you are a sedentary, when you are sitting in a place or in a, not moving your body properly, it all leads to diseases. You see, when a person not moving 3 weeks, then it leads to his heart 30 years old. So just imagine how it is. So the heart health is always depends upon your body movements. Body movements is always key for energizing cells. It required to eliminate the waste or eliminate the toxins in your body. The eliminating toxins in your body and making the fat metabolism, it's all required moving the body and always do some exercise. When you are keeping on sitting in a place long time, it will leads to storing your fat and not removing your toxins, and the blood circulation is poor. When you are moving your body, then only your body will get oxygen and getting out the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide and waste, whatever toxins are there in your body, it will be eliminated only by means of body movements. So body movements is vital. Those who are living a healthy life. Healthy living, a way of life means you have to move your body. So when you are sitting in the long time, you have to think, yes, I'm sitting in a long time. What I have to do? I have to do small works, whether in the office, whether in the house, whether in the any places, wherever you are sitting more than half an hour. you have to think at least at a time to move your body for doing some activities, walking and doing some activities, gardening, then doing small houseworks, small houseworks, cleaning works, washing works. So when you are moving something, your body then body gets flexibility, body gets oxygen, fresh oxygen, because that time only your lungs getting more oxygen. When you are thinking that sitting in a place in a long time, blood circulation is poor. you know your second heart is in your knees, because the first heart is the main heart, the second heart is just below your knees. This heart, when you are moving here and there, then only it will functions. So it will take the blood from from your legs to heart. So the heart health always depends upon the second motor. Second motor, where it's located, as I said, it's a below or beneath the knee. So when second motor, that means second heart, beneath your knees, taking the deoxygenated blood or unpure blood to your heart. When the heart taking this unpure blood into pure blood, we can say as a deoxygenated blood into oxygenated blood. So the purity is a matter. When you are active, when your body moves, the deoxygenated blood from the various parts of your body goes to the air, your heart. Then heart, what it's doing, it's taking deoxygenated blood to heart and purifying it and make it as a oxygenated blood. It means pure blood, and sending to the all over your body parts. So this will happen more when you are there, even sitting, okay, but the effective means of the blood purification process will take place when your body moves. The same thing, when you are moving here and there, then only your digestive system, your gut health will looks good, because the digestion is always required some kind of activity, some kind of movement. So the metabolism is always required to do the activities. When you are moving here and there, your body, it will not convert more fat and store it in your body. The storing the fat in your body is the problem. So this is the way the blood glucose or blood sugar level goes up. When you are keeping on moving your body, blood glucose will not rise, and it's stabilizing the glucose level. And also eliminating your toxins from your body is always is possible by means of moving your body continuously. When you are keeping on sitting in a place, the sweating, you will not get it. The sweating is one of the major area where more toxins gets eliminated. Same like when you are releasing the tears contains toxins. When you are releasing some your ear vaccines, that's also having some toxins. And saliva sometimes having the toxins. So when the activities you are doing, that time only these toxins will go easily out of from the your body. So healthy living a way of life by means of how you are moving your body throughout the day. Your metabolism depends upon your movement. Your gut health depends upon your movement. Your toxin removal depends upon the your movement. Your blood glucose, blood sugar, your chronic diseases, these all, you know, only curable, only manageable by means of body movement only. When toxins are not properly removed, when you are staying in a place continuously, when you are sitting in a place continuously, the toxins gets logged inside your body and trapped inside. These toxins will make oncogen or cancer, carcinogenous diseases. So that diseases, it's more dangerous, harmful, it's a life-threatening diseases. So when you are moving here and there continuously, and body movement will prevent the chronic diseases as like cancer and so many other diseases. Overall, your body needs oxygen. So this oxygen, when you are moving here and there, then only the entire body gets refreshed. Each and every cell required oxygen, and it required to remove carbon dioxide. So when you are not sitting in a place, when you are moving here and there, this oxidation process and removal of carbon dioxide will take place. Oxygen always is important for cell growth, and also each and every organ and each and every cell gets repressed when you are moving here and there. So for body fat removal, for calorie removal, these are only possible by means of body movement. So always think about the body movement in your life. When you are not moving, it is a hazardous. People always comfortable sitting and watching TVs and doing some laptop or mobile works and sleeping, getting rest. It's okay, but you have to manage but a time from the morning to evening, at least utilize maximum time for body movements. This will help you for making you healthy and lifelong. When you are not thinking this one, it will make you, disease. It will make you more, room for all diseases, not only blood pressure, blood sugar, and chronic diseases, and also the bones, nerves, and your entire system gets collapsed when you are not moving your body. So these all things are important when you are moving your body. When you are moving your body, you are always healthy, your cells healthy, your entire system healthy, your toxins removed naturally, your gut health is very important for your survival. For that survival, this movement is required. So, in life journey, you see our ancestors, they all always be healthy. Why? They always walk. They always live simple life. They always move their body. they always go to the fields and work hard for various works. That's why they don't have that much diseases. People now in a comfort zone, sitting in the room, watching TVs, doing some works in the laptop and some works in the mobiles and sleeping continuously in a place, even in works, doing the computer or any kind of works continuously in a place, that leads to sedentary lifestyle, and fat gets stored, trapped inside your body, toxins gets trapped inside your body. This leads to the diseases. So that's why when you are thinking that every 30 minutes, every 40 minutes, you have to think it's a time for body movement. Go around you at least 5 to 10 minutes to move your body. Make some stretching and walk somewhere nearby and do some other alternative walks. So, keeping on sitting, keeping on sleeping leads to diseases. So, that will be the healthy living, a way of life. That healthy living, a way of life of body movement only leads you healthy. That will be your habit from today. This habit will make you your life long, at least more than 100 years. Why Japanese and all? More than 1 lakh people 100 years above. Why that much 100 years above people are living there? Because of their habits. The Japanese always move their body. Always they are, in a fastest working people, and always be fast and do their work, whatever their work, even in age, is not a matter for them. Do their work their own, not giving to another. Don't ask another. There is no dependence. So they will do their own work by means of body movements. That's why Japanese people in their population, 1 lakh people, more than 100 years they are living. So that kind of living required for everyone. You have to be, shrewd always. You have to be energetic always. Your body needs movements. That time only you will be healthy. So that is the healthy way of life. Living a healthy way of life is depends upon the body movements that you can determine today and do it as a habit. When you are sitting more than half an hour, think about your body movement. That will be your goal to make you be healthy. So that is the end of healthy living, a way of life, part 7. So we will see healthy living, a way of life, part 8. So I hope you enjoy and you got more information about health things. If you like all these informations, subscribe it, share it, like it, and give more sharing to your friends and neighbors for healthy living, a way of life at HSC Mindset channel. Thank you very much.